Hello guys, in the last video we implemented spawning of all our prefabs, and in this video we'll probably be uh, coding the part for our shield power prefab, cause until now we just have our one prefab only speed power up which is working perfectly. As you see, I just missed it, the shield power up, and nothing happened cause I haven't written the code for the shield power up. So I'm just going to do that. Okay, so let's just pause this video and start with the shield power up, of course, obviously. So, and also I would like to tell you that I have made some changes here in the code. Before we just implemented this part of the code for our shield power up 1, and now I written this. Let me just delete it. This won't be the part of code. Okay, so now I have written the code for implementing power up codes for all the prefabs and with their power up IDs. So power up ID 0 is for triple shot, and speed has 1, and shield is 2. So go ahead and edit these changes in your script if you haven't done yet. So yeah, okay, so coming back here, the implementation for the shield power up will be as same as the speed power up we used earlier. We have already got the player prefab in our script, player handle. So okay, we write another line. It will be like, can shield up is equal to false. If you guys want, you can go ahead and try to do it yourself, because it will get almost just a slight amount of change, and it is almost the same. So initially it will be false until our player collides with the shield power up. So okay, as you can see right now, for every time we are receiving damage, our health is increasing by this value. So first of all, what we'll write is just copy and paste this, and just doing for just the purpose to tell you that how similar it was. Otherwise I would have written completely differently. Okay, so player shield up. Okay, so player shield up, and here we're going to write is we're going to write is shield down routine. The same thing we are going to write here as well. So yeah, and also we'll change this field to can shield up equals to true, and after waiting for 5 seconds we'll turn now can shield up equals to false. So as you can see, we have written the code for shielding up there. Now what we'll do is, whenever we have the player shield up is true, we are not going to let our script compile this part of code. So we'll write if can shield up. If we just leave this as same here, it will not touch this part of the code. Okay, if can shield up power equals to true, then only we are going to want this part. Okay, so now you can see. So if our this symbol also denotes for false, or we can do this as this, like also. Actually that one is less time taking and less time consuming, so that's why I used it. But you can do it this way also. This one actually is easier to learn, because we are going to learn many syntax later on. So if can shield up is equal to false, then only our health will decrease, otherwise there will be no effect to the health. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and in the power up ID, which one is the shield, we're going to call the same thing as we have done in the player dot player shield up code enumerator, or we can say we're going to call. Yeah, so we just called up this word player shield up, and let's just see how it works. So for now, so this is our health here, and you must watch then that whenever we get triggered with the shield power up, there shouldn't be no changes happen in the to the player's health. So first power up we got is the speed power. Yeah, it's actually quite nice, but right now we're not going to use it. So here comes the shield power up, and as you can see, yeah. So I just touched two enemies, and as you can see, our health is still at 100, but we are not going to have this. So also we are going to write one more line. No, actually, yeah, it's good. At least we should have our shields up for 7 seconds, so it works for fine now. And in the next video we're going to write the code for the triple shot power up, which is also very amazing. So keep gaming and keep writing code for games. Bye bye. And don't forget to always collaborate your changes. So implemented shield power up. Actually, the Unity's collaboration system is sometimes faulty because sometimes we have to log in for a collaboration. So as you can see, it just collaborated now with no problem, but sometimes it shows problem. So it's okay, you can just go ahead and log in out, close the project and open it again and then collaborate the code. So that was it for now. Keep enjoying gaming.